Every once in a while, you come across a product that takes technology to a whole different level than you ever thought it would go. I didn't think that that product was going to be earbuds of any kind, to be honest. Technics AZ100s, these have industry leading noise canceling technology. It's adaptive to your environment. Now, we're all already used to earbuds that can turn noise off so that when we're talking to other people, they can't necessarily hear everything that's going on around us. But these do something vastly different. Have you ever been on the phone with anybody and the noise on their end is unbearable? It's just more than you can take. These will reduce their level of noise around them. This is pretty amazing technology in and of itself, and if this was the only thing, it would be a good enough reason for me to consider these as a everyday use for myself, because that's a problem for me, or at least it was before I got these. But that's not the only thing. The real game changer is the Dolby Atmos with head tracking. Not just Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos has been around a while, but the head tracking. It's on another level. The way that I can describe it best to you, you've got great sound that is spatially aware of where you are. So think about being at a concert and the stage is in front of you, and you turn your head. The sound is coming from here more than here because the stage is in front of you. And as you rotate, it rotates. I don't know how to describe it in words other than to say it's everything you wanted in sound quality paired with otherworldliness. It just feels live. It feels as if you're at a live event and the live event is happening all around you. It's an amazing, immersive experience that I have not had with any other earbuds or headphones. These are on the level of the best headphones, not just the best earbuds. They are by far the best earbuds I've ever put in my ears, but they're up there and rival the best over-ear headphones I've ever put in my ears. It's all customizable in an app. You can customize everything about these and the way they sound and the way they react. So if you don't want the whole Dolby Atmos head tracking thing that is spatially aware, you can turn it off. They came with 5 different sizes of the actual earpiece. 5 sizes. I don't care who you are, you're going to find a pair of these that fits you in that box. Not to mention that, they ain't going nowhere. They're in there good. They're not going anywhere. I mean, you could go straight from a mosh pit to a library back to a mosh pit with these things. They're not going anywhere. I don't want to say the brand. But my other ones, my other brand that I wore every day up until I got these, I mean, I'd constantly be just reaching because they'd be falling out of my ears, and I don't care what earpiece I was using. Every size, they just want to fall out every once in a while. Not these at all. These are awesome. These are on a professional level. They just knocked it out of the park.